am Ross Povell. I am Project Supervisor of the Milky Dam upgrade. We are at the Milky Dam project site in Smithton on the northwest coast of Tasmania. We're increasing the strength of both embankments by placing rock and filter layers to bolster the dam and increase the dam wall height. We're in a phase of material placement. We're actually laying the 3A, which is the larger rock material, to actually bolster the dam and build the layers up to the point where we can increase the dam height by approximately 1 metre. So the dam was built in 1972 originally, and as far as fundamental upgrades, it hasn't really had a lot of attention in that time, so this is why this project has come about this time. It is, in short, a security upgrade, so it provides greater flood protection for the Smithton and surrounding communities.